This is the brief on India's Prevention of Corruption Act. All right, so India's main tool against public corruption, it's this Prevention of Corruption Act. And, it got a really significant update back in 2018, aiming to boost accountability and kind of curb those shady dealings in public service. Okay, first big thing, that 2018 amendment, it really flipped the script by making the supply side of bribery a crime. Yeah, so now giving a bribe is a direct offense, not just taking one. It holds everyone involved accountable, which makes sense, right? Plus, it brought in this idea of corporate liability. So companies can actually be held responsible if someone associated with them bribes an official to get ahead in business. But there's a potential out. Companies can defend themselves if they prove they had, adequate procedures in place to stop that kind of thing. Second, the update added these procedural safeguards, and honestly, they're pretty controversial. It's this thing called the sanction doctrine. What it means is you now need the government's okay before even starting an investigation against a public servant for stuff they did in their official job. And getting approval to actually prosecute officials, serving or retired, has this tight 3 months deadline. Critics, well, they worry this could seriously slow down or even kill investigations, maybe shielding some folks. Finally, despite having these strong laws and tougher penalties on the books, there's this persistent problem, a huge enforcement deficit. Get this, data from 2024 shows over 7,000 corruption cases handled by the CBI, that's the Central Bureau of Investigation, are just stuck, waiting for trial. And thousands of these, they've been lingering for more than 10 years. That completely flies in the face of the law's own rules, saying trials should wrap up in 2 to 4 years. So yeah, these major changes and the real-world enforcement struggles, they definitely paint a complex picture of India's fight against corruption.